There is also a quicker way for you to enter a trade, and this is how I enter trades. What I do is I right click on my screen. This window will pop up. I go to settings. And if you scroll down to where it says trading, move over to the right, and then you will see where it says one-click trading. I highlight that box, I push OK. I have my buy and sell buttons at the top left corner of my charts. As soon as I push the buy, I won't need a confirmation. It'll put me right into the order. Right. So just now, I only had to push the button one time. That's a lot quicker. That's how I enter into orders. And it's just quicker that way for me because I use market orders. Now, I have a bracket order on mine already saved. All right, let me close this out. And it's the same thing if you push the sell button. Now, what I do is, if you look at the top left corner of my screen, where you see my sell button, the red one, and the blue buy and the blue buy button. To the right of that is another little button for down arrow. If you see, these are order presets. These are bracket orders already saved. So depending on what time frame I'm looking at, then I will use different presets. I have a better idea of what size the candlesticks may be. So it's a lot quicker that way. For example, if I'm entering, I don't know, let's say 9:45. On average, the candle bar might be, let's just say 25 points on a 15-second time frame. So then I'll go here to number 4. I'll push that. In the middle here, it shows the quantity. So before I enter into my trade, I'm going to raise my quantity to where I'm risking, let's say, no more than $100. All right, so let's just say 4. I don't know. Then I'll push buy, and I'm in the trade, right? So 4. Okay, so I have 4 contracts at, what is this? All right, risking $200. So let me close that out. Then I'll go to my number 1 order preset, and then I'll push buy again. If you see my bracket order here, it's closer, right? It's smaller. The stop loss is smaller as far as points goes, and my take profit is smaller also. The distance is shorter in points. So that's quicker for me because I already have it set up. Okay, this is my bracket order. If I'm trading, let's say if I was trading pre-market, then I would use a tighter bracket because my stop loss will be tighter and my take profit will be tighter. Then I can always just move it later on if I want to. Right. I can move my take profit up, and I don't have to push another button for confirmation. So with the one click setting, it's quick entry, one button to push.